Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Today I'm going to show you one more finger picking pattern that you can use with all the chords that we know, and based on your ear judgment you can either use this particular finger picking pattern that suits any of your songs that you want to play. Okay, now without further ado, let's start. The very first thing that I want to talk about this finger picking pattern is that it's a little bit different different finger picking pattern, because till now what we have done is that we have counted the notes in the bar as 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, mostly for the 4x4, or for swing patterns like 3x4 or 6x8 we either used 1 2 3 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? But now it's a little bit different, like now we have to count for the eighth note as well. So how do we count the eighth note? Is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 something like that. So basically what you do is that you divide the the time gap between two notes, even in two. The total bar of the music is now divided in eight equal portions. I will show you how it works actually. Okay, you still use the thumb for the bass notes. Okay, so this is the same thing that we have used in inside outside patterns, right? So or any finger picking pattern for that matter, right? So basically we are using our thumb for our bass strings, and the other three fingers like index finger, middle finger and ring finger for playing the treble notes or the thinner notes. Okay, so how we are going to play it is, the first note is the thumb or the bass note. Okay, and then one hand. So this is one complete quarter note. This first pick is not eighth note, this is quarter note. Okay, 1 2 and 3 and 4. Once you are done with the thumb, then you are going to the other notes as quarter notes. 2 and 3 and 4, 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 1 2 and 3 and 4, 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, okay, so that's for the G major chord. So for the D major chord, so you can play, or maybe you can play the fourth string as well. So either you can use the fifth string or the fourth string, doesn't matter. I would say use your ears to judge which one sounds better at that particular point of the song, in that particular situation of the song. Okay, so you can use either this or this. Okay, and same goes for the six string chords like the A minor or the C major. Okay, so you can use either of the three bass strings. Okay, all three will be valid, but based on the emotion or the tempo or the feel of the song, you can choose the style that you want to use with this. Okay, so hopefully you like this particular finger picking pattern, and you will be trying to play it along with your songs, along with the chords that I have already known, and happy playing.